What's up, y'all? International break is done, and I know we're all upset, crying inside that those games are over with. You know, I really wanted to see England and Kosovo again. I want to see Belarus and Andorra. I want to see all those games. I'm so upset that the international break is over. I'm mad. But now we go back to some real football. My international break is over as well. Still have a couple days left in Jamaica, but real football is back, so let's get after it. You see? Now with Pogba, Wan-Bissaka, Shaw, and Marshall out, these are the changes that I think that will be made in the starting level. Obviously, injuries restrict certain players from being on the team. Um, Moving forward, we just need to address one aspect of that team, and I didn't mention it once we put out the team. But Fred, where is Fred? What's happening with Fred? Last year, couple good appearances, PSG comes to mind. But we haven't seen Fred since then. What happened? And I'm thinking Social is pulling off one of those masterclass where someone is struggling to adapt to the Prem. So you just pull him away from the limelight. No pictures with the team. Just having him work on his game and his fitness and his physicality, because that's what the Prem needs. You don't have a lot of time on the ball with in the Prem, and that's the type of game that Fred plays. So hopefully Solskjaer is getting ready to pull him, to unleash him to the rest of the world, and this weekend will be a perfect weekend to let him go. So against Leicester, play against Tillemans and Madison. So let's see. But yeah, I hope that answered the questions about where's Fred. Looking forward to see what the game looks like. At this point, all we can continue to do as Manchester United fans is to be optimistic. Let's continue to support the team. Whatever team Solskjaer put out tomorrow, it's just support the team 100%, because at the end of the day, once a devil, always a devil. So, pick up yourself. Until next time, 2-1 Man U this weekend.